Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will make one more rakhi. For that I am using 4 ply yarn and 3 mm hook. First we will make one magic ring, then make 3 chains, 1, 2, 3. Next make 12 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, like that. Make total 12 double crochet. Now close the first round with the slip stitch. Make a slip stitch on the first double crochet. Like this. For second round I will make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3. This is the fourth chain. In same place make 2 treble crochet. This is first treble crochet, this is second treble crochet, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, next pull through the 2 loops, next make 4 chains. In the same space make one slip stitch. This is the first petal. For second petal make a slip stitch in the next chain. Here make a slip stitch, then make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same space make 2 treble crochet. This is first treble crochet, this is second treble crochet, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops, pull through the 2 loops. Next make 4 chains. In the same space make one slip stitch, like this. This is the second petal. For third petal make a slip stitch in next chain, then make 4 chains, 3, 4. Again make 2 treble crochet, yarn over, pull through the 2 loops. This is first treble crochet, this is second treble crochet, yarn over, pull through the loops. Next make 4 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4. In the same space make one slip stitch. This is the fourth petal. In next chain make one slip stitch. Now repeat the same procedure for remaining chains. Now I have reached the end of the row. This is the last petal. Here I am making 4 chains, 2 treble crochet. This is first one, first treble crochet. This is second treble crochet, yarn over, pull through the loops. Next make 4 chains, make a slip stitch in the same space. Next, make chain 1 and cut the extra yarn like this. Now adjust the flower with the extra yarn and hide the extra yarn back side of the flower like this. To hide the extra yarn, use small number needle or hook like this. Please like, share, subscribe my channel, and please comment me which color flower you want to make for the next video. Now we will attach the thread to tie the rakhi. For that I am taking the yarn and cut the according to hand length. Now with the help of needle, secure the yarn like this, both side. Or you can make chains also. Now we have attached the yarn both side to tie the rakhi. Now I will add a beads with the help of needle like this. You can add one or more beads on both sides like this. Now our beautiful rakhi is ready. Thanks for the watching.